in this video, I'll explain you about the Doberan's periodic classification and the limitations of Doberan's classification of elements. Friends, first I will give you the introduction of discovery of elements. First, in the year of 1661, 30 elements were discovered, and at the end of the 18th century, the total number of elements were discovered at 24, and in the year of 1865, 63 number of elements were discovered. In the year of 1940, total number of elements were discovered are 91, and now at present, total number of elements were discovered are 118. So this is the history of discovery. There are two scientists named Robert Boyle and Joseph Louis Proust. At the beginning, in the year of 1661, Robert Boyle given the definition of an element, that is, an element is a substance that cannot be further divided by a physical or chemical change. And Joseph Louis Proust, in the beginning of the 18th century, he stated that the hydrogen atom of an element is the building material. Hydrogen atom of an element is the building material, and all other atoms of other elements are formed due to combination of these H plus atoms. All the other atoms of the elements are formed simply due to the hydrogen combination of number of hydrogen atoms. So these are the role of two scientists in giving the definition of element by Robert Boyle and explaining about the hydrogen atom by Joseph Louis Proust. Let us study about the another scientist, Johann Wolfgang Doberener. So he classified all the available elements in the form of triads. Triad means that a group of 3 elements with similar properties. A group of 3 number of elements with similar properties is called a triad. So in the word itself it means that tri, that means 3. So a group of 3 number of elements with similar properties is called a triad. Let us take an example: A, B, C, D, E, F. So let us consider these all are elements. Among all these, element B, element D and element F, if they are having similar properties, this element B, D and F forms a triad. He arranged the 3 elements in the form of increasing order of atomic weights. Means he arranged the 3 number of elements in the ascending or increasing order of atomic weights. In the example we considered B, D, F, it forms a triad. Means if we assume B is having atomic mass 2, D is having 5 and F is having 10, this is in increasing order. So he arranged the triad consisting 3 number of elements in the increasing order of atomic weights like this. Now let us discuss about the law of triad. Law of triad, that is, the atomic weight of the middle element is the average of atomic weights of other 2 elements. Let us understand this law of triads with the example. If we take an example, lithium, sodium and potassium, Li, Na, K. The atomic weight of lithium is 7, atomic weight of sodium is 23 and atomic weight of potassium is 39. So according to this law, the atomic weight of the middle element, means atomic weight of the sodium, is the average of the atomic weights of the other 2 elements. So let us do the averages of K and Li, potassium and lithium. So 39 plus 7 by 2 is the average. Is 46 by 2. If we divide, we will get 23. That is nothing but the atomic weight of the middle element, that is sodium. So the atomic weight of the middle element is the average of the atomic weight of the other two elements, is called as law of triad. So now let us see the limitations of triads proposed by John Wolfgang Dubinier. The first limitation is all the elements that are available at his time could not be formed into triads. All the elements which are available at this time, he could not form all the elements in the form of triads, so he failed in this. And the second one is, this triads law fails for the elements containing low mass, low atomic mass or high atomic mass. This law is failed for the elements containing low mass or high atomic mass. Now the third limitation is, this law could not be remained strictly valid as the techniques improved. As the techniques improved in measuring atomic mass, this law was unable to remain strictly valid. So these are the limitations. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.